guys, and in today's video we're going to be doing this festival look. I know you might be thinking, Shaaanxo, that's a bit too much in it. You're going to festival, you look, what the hell? I didn't care. I decided to create this look because I feel like everyone wears glitter and everyone wears gems at festivals. I don't have any gems. This diamond on my head, I created it myself. See the video how I did that as well, but this is just a festival look. I would, if I was going to a festival, I would rock this look. Different colour eyes, glitter on both of them, but different colour eyes. And I put the lips nude because I wanted this makeup look to stand out and keep the lips nice and nude. So guys, if you want to see how I get this festival look, please keep watching. So I've already done the base and my eyebrows. I already get them off. If you want to know what foundation I use and everything, does I do chit chats, get ready with me. So I do the face on that. So yeah, and my brows, I just do them Benefit Gimme Brow with the Benefit 24-hour gel setup. But then I've used PS Skinny Brow Pencil. This is only £2.50 and it's a really good brow pencil. I love it. So yeah, I'm going to bring you closer to my eyes. So as you can see, you are quite close for my eyes. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I want to do like a festival look, like a good festival look. I don't know what I want to do. I'm just like, I want to create a look, but I don't know what look to create, you know. And I'm going to test out these eyelashes from, you know, Wish. I did try the other pair of ones which are coming in this. These are much more fluttery. I like these. The other ones are fluttery. One's just like a normal kind of eyelash, where the other one's really nice. So yeah. Let's get to this eye look. I'm going to use these glitter obsession things. I don't really like them because the glitter's only on top and that's about it, but I can use these on the body if I want to. But yeah, I'm going to start off with the transition shade that I'm going to use from the Jaclyn palette. And I'm going to start off probably with Silk Cream. Probably going to start off with Silk Cream, this one. Just put that into the transition. I don't know why. I like festival looks. I think they're really cute, cool, or whatever you want to call it. I do like the eyes. So I'm just going to put Silk Cream into the transition first. I don't know what I'm going to do. I do want fun colours. So this might not be a good thing. Do I want fun colours and do separate eye looks? I did do C10 Mojo with a pink and a green, which looked really nice. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use the shade J to put in to this transition as well. But I do need a Jaclyn J41 and use a dark blue into the outer corner. It is shimmery, so if you're like, oh my gosh, I want you doing that shimmery, don't worry about it. Okay, I will blend it out once the two colours right, and then I'm going to take a lighter colour and put that in the inner corner. I kind of like that. That kind of looks pretty. And I'm just going to get the shade again and just blend it. I'm definitely going to do a wing with these though, because I feel like a wing is going to be really pretty with this. Okay, I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner. Just use a liquid eyeliner to get this. That is a wing and a half. Now my under eye for this. Take that shade colour again. Blend it out. Oh, I'm not done yet because, do you know why? It's not complete. Like so. Oh, this is an eye look. This is a eye look. And then I'm going to take these ones from thingy. I'm going to take, wow. Don't think I need that much. Look how much black stuff is on the thing. Don't think I need that much. Bloody hell. These lashes are a bit too long. Like, they're the lashes. And I don't think I like these. I don't really like long. Like, really stick out the long. I don't think I like these lashes. They look okay from afar, but if you get real up closer, like. Okay. That's one eye look. For festival, now for the other one. I want to put away this palette and use a pink eye next. You know? Just a pink. Oh, I'm just going to use this pink. And I'm just going to put that all over the eye. This one, I'm being so different with it. I'm being so different with it. Okay. I like it just all pink. I think it looks nice. I like it just all pink. Don't know why. Oh, these lashes are so weird. One with a bluey, kind of darky, jadey colour, and the other one just pink. Flat out pink. And that's all you need, just a flat out pink shade. I like that look. Now I'm going to use some of these glitters for the this eye look as well. I use a glitter. Oh, I like that. I actually like that. Oh, I'm going to use a little bit of the silvering just on this thing, just to give it a bit of. It's just silvery. I like that. Beautiful. Oh, now I'm going to use another. I'm going to use a eyeliner on the other side. Both eyes are not the same, but you know what? I don't care because I like the way that one's just pink and one's not. Okay, these lashes I don't like. I'll show you what I mean. They're both the same, they came out from the same pack, but I just don't like them. Right, I keep trying them, but lashes, no, I don't like them. I've zoomed out because I've already done my thingy, so now I'm going to do my face, like bronzer and everything. I'm going to use a dark bronzer because you know what, you're at a festival and you want to look snatched and bronzed. And this is the time where people will start to tan, you know, really tan. Using the butter bronzer. It smells like Hawaii. When I go to Hawaii, it smells really good. When I go to Hawaii, you know. I was one of these people like, I want to go, I don't care, I just want to go. Bronzer done. If you hear something downstairs, it's just my husband's having a battle with his Hobbit friend. He loves Hobbit and everything. He just loves it. So sorry, I can't control the talking, but he's filming it for his YouTube channel as well. So you know, it's Galfornia. It's the blush I'm gonna use. Because you know why? It's a very peachy corally. It's very corally. It's not as pink as people think it is. It just looks so good. And it just applies like a dream. I want to have some highlighter on as well. So let's get on with highlighting. I'm going to use, now I want my highlight to really come out, you know. Really black. I'm highlighting here. I want my highlight to blind people. I'm just that person, you know. I want to blind people. So I'm going to take my Ofra highlight. I mix in 2 shades. And I want to kind of catch blind people when, like, because they see me. I want them to like I'm here to the party and I don't care. Like, I'm here to a festival and I don't want to make people blind, you know. Not really blind, you know, but just have the pow. Have that. Now I'm going to use some glitter glue, and I'm going to take some of this. So this is loose glitter that I'm going to use onto my face, because you know you gotta have some glitter onto your face. You just got to. So what I'm going to do is take the NYX glitter glue, and what I'm going to do is put it underneath my eye, but in a V shape, you know, put it into a V shape, and then I'm going to get a brush, see if it'll pick up. It does, and pop it underneath my eye. I love it. I love it so much. That glitter is what I want so much. Like, you'll just be at a festival. Basically glitter tears. I want to have glitter tears forming down, and I like it. So now I'm going to move on to the main event, the glitter in here and the shimmer in here as well. So what I'm going to do is going to put some more glitter on here. So I'm going to put some silver, mix silver into here. I'm just going to pop it on. Now, if you want it on your body, you can, like, I'm going to zoom you out. You can put it onto your collarbone. These will look really, this is the Glitter Obsessed glitter eye alibi thingy, and you can use them on your body. So I'm going to put some here. I'm going to put some gold right on my collarbone, which is kind of, I have to feel my collarbone because I'm a plus size. It's not like, you know, thingy. So I'm just going to put some right there, as you can see. Just okay. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, I put some kind of where I can feel everything. Now I'm going to go overboard and take some purple and that and just pop it all over my thing. So you just want to look like a glittery mess, you know. But that's what you can do with these. You can put them on your body. I don't really care. Like, do whatever you want to them. Jeffree Star, Celebrity Skin and Dove's Colours on top, because I want a nude lip. And this is a fun festival glittery eye look. You have silver. It doesn't matter if you have a stripe, because you know what? You can't always have it all. You can have like gems. So if you want, I want to show you one more thing that you could do with this glitter from Primark. So what you need to do is you get some of this. I'm just gonna put a kind of something there. Okay, like I'm just gonna put something like here. Okay, something like that. Okay, so it's like a diamante. Okay, so I've got a diamante. Now, this is where the fun bit comes in. If you don't have any gems, this is the way to do it. So you can have, not finished yet because you'd think it's not that simple, but trust me, it is that simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace over that and you'll see what I mean. This is, if you don't have any money to buy gems or anything like that, you can make a 3D diamante on your head, like a 3D diamond on your head. Like, it's really cool. Like, from far away, it looks a bit. This is a 3D diamond on my head, which I would actually go to a festival like this, but the 3D on my head, put glitter everywhere and just rock the boat. So I'm going to bring you in for the closer look. So as you see, the 3D diamond is not neat, but it doesn't have to be. These are the glitters, this is the stripe. I have some glitter onto my chest as well, as you can see, but I love the face. Like, it's such a good thing. So this is my festival look. If you want to try it. So don't ever be afraid to experiment with festivals. Festivals are a time where you go crazy, you get all glittery, and who gives a rat's ass who thinks of it. So if you're daring, if I go to a festival this year, I'm definitely doing this look because it's a far away. You have a 3D diamond that looks like it's coming out of your skin, which I think is really cool, but I love the glitters, like you've been crying glitter, I love it. So yeah, if I do plan to go to the festival, I'll be wearing this look. Like, I love it. It's just such a good way to experiment with makeup and make sure you look a bomb. Like, my lips are nude because I want it to be on the eyes and the glitter. That's why I put nude lips, so yeah. So guys, this is my festival look. If you do like it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!